Hey everyone, this tutorial is to show you guys how I do my hair washing system. I am a hairstylist, but I am also somebody that feels it's important to not do too much when it comes to styling your hair. I personally get asked all the time how I even have my curls air dry and stay the way they do. So I thought I would just share my system and let y'all try it on and see if it works for you. So of course, I'm not gonna take you in the shower with me because it's freaking weird, but I can tell you what I do in there. So when I wash my hair, I try to go anywhere from in between 3 to 4 days of a wash. And I use products throughout those days that help me get to that, and that will be for another video. But so because of that, I shampoo my hair twice because I really want to get it squeaky clean and I want to remove all that product that I've been using for the days prior. The shampoo that I'm loving right now is from Verb. The two that I like to use is I use their Volumizing shampoo because it will really clean all of those oils and gunk off my scalp. And then because I have curly hair, I'll wash it again with their curl enhancing shampoo. Then I will go in and put in a really moisturizing conditioner actually, because my hair is curly and it is blonde. I tend to not have a lot of moisture in my ends. I never put that on the root. I focus on the conditioner being from my mid shaft to my ends. I then put that in my hair and I go about the rest of my shower. At the end of my shower, this is really important, I use a wet brush, starting from the bottom, and I work my way up to detangle my hair, and I rinse it out. Then I will take this towel. This is a special towel. This is like a microfiber type of material. So what it does is it really helps remove the moisture quickly, which is great because I want my hair to still be damp when I put the product in, but I don't want it to be sopping wet. The other thing is I do not brush my hair again after I brush it in the shower. This is because I do not want to remove any kind of wave or curl that my hair is going to create. So this is the state it's in. As you can see, it already wants to wave. So I am then going to go in with the Verb sea salt spray. This is awesome because it's going to give me lift at my root, and then it's also going to keep me from getting oily fast while I'm trying to go the distance before actually washing my hair. So I take this and I put it all through my root. And what I like to describe this as is, you know, when you go in the ocean and you get out and your hair kind of has that like gritty feel, it's because salt is actually dehydrating to the hair. But don't be alarmed. That's okay to put on your root area because it's connected to your skin and your skin is always going to produce oils. This is just for longevity. This isn't to dehydrate your hair and ruin, you know, the integrity of your hair. That is not what this is doing. Okay, and then I will just kind of scratch it around and make sure it's really in the root. The next thing I'm going to do is I switch my products based on where my hair is at. Because my hair is curly, the longer it is, the more that my curls kind of weigh down. The shorter it is, the wider my hair will get. Because my hair is in this mid-length, I don't want to use a really heavy cream on it. If my hair was shorter, my next product would be different, but because of where it's at right now, I am going to be using the Unite 7-second Detangler. It's like a leave-in conditioner because I want to add moisture into my hair. So I'm just going to spray this mostly focusing on the mid shaft and the ends. This stuff smells so good, by the way. Okay, so this is putting moisture back into my hair. And it's just enough for me to be able to kind of scrunch it, and it wets it enough. I mean, you can already see it's doing it a little bit, right? Okay, so that's what I'm gonna use for that. Now, if my hair was shorter, what I really love is the Verb curl cream. That stuff is great. And then what I would do, if I was using the cream, I would take my next product, which is the Olaplex number 7 bonding oil. And I would cocktail that with the curl cream. Since I'm not using the curl cream, I'm just using the spray like I did. So I'm gonna put this on by itself. This oil is great. I think that was like 7 taps. It's super light. Like I said, I don't want to weigh down my hair, but I want to give it some moisture and some shine. I personally don't really worry about frizz. My hair's curly, it's gonna happen. I'm not worried about that. But these two products combined together do really help combat that. So, as you can see, I'm not like pressing too hard. I'm being very gentle with my hair. Okay. And then the last thing I do is I go back to my towel and I scrunch even more. This is a lots of scrunching going on because I just want it to go back to its natural state as much as possible, really focusing on the ends. The ends tend to be where you lose the most texture and curl. So I really wanna scrunch the poo out of those. And then I can get up on my root, scrunch a little there. Okay. And that is it. I don't really touch it too much. The only thing I will say that I do as it's drying is every now and then I'll just scrunch it a little bit or I'll rotate it because I don't have a particular part. So by moving it around while it's drying is I'm creating it to have lift in every kind of angle. So I just move it around. And that's all I do for after I wash my hair. I would say it takes maybe about an hour for it to be completely dry, and I'll show you guys what it looks like in the end. But this is a perfect setup for me for my day 2 hair when I go in for doing any kind of styling products. So yeah, just simple, easy, helps maintain integrity. So give it all a try and see if you like it. Hi guys, I'm back. So I just wanted you to see the final product. This is what my hair does when it's dry. So it's got all this volume and I'll just wear it like this for the day. I flip it around a lot. And then the next day I will go in and I will style it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy.